Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you that how can you see one time photo on your WhatsApp again and again. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, as you will see. And guys, after this you need to go back. So guys, after going to back, simply you have to open your app store, and here you need to search WhatsApp. So guys, as you will see here, you need to open your WhatsApp here and you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, then you need to update your app first, and after doing update guys, you need to go back. So guys, simply you have to open your WhatsApp. As you will see, click on your settings tab, and guys, after this you need to scroll it down, and here you can see the option of privacy. And guys, now you will see multiple options here. As you can see, you need to scroll it down, and guys, here you can see the option of default messenger time. So guys, simply you have to turn off your disappearing message set time, and guys, after this simply you have to go back, and guys, you need to open your again chat your again and check that your problem has been fixed or not. If still not fixed your problem and still can't see, then you need to select your chat, and guys, after this you need to, here at the option, click on export chat, and you need to select any chat in which you want to see one time photo. So guys, after exporting your chat, simply you have to download that chat in your iPhone or in your Android device, and you need to open that chat in your file, and you can easily view your one time photo again and again. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.